Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever encountered the problem of your iPhone stuck on Apple logo due to full storage? If you've met this issue, keep watching this video, and I'll show you how to fix it. Method 1. Restore your iPhone via iTunes. Please note, this method will cause data loss. First, connect your device to a computer and open iTunes. Make sure that your iTunes is updated to the latest version. Then, put your iPhone in recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and laters, press the volume up and then volume down keys. Keep holding the power button, wait until the recovery mode appears, and now your device's information will now be shown. Click on the Restore iPhone. After resetting the phone using iTunes, the data is completely erased. If you want to keep the data, don't worry, just keep watching. Method 2. Try iOS system repair tool. Using Fixppo won't cause any data loss. Let me show you. Step 1. Click the link in the description below and download iMyFone Fixppo. Step 2. Launch the program and connect your iPhone to the computer. Select the standard mode and follow the on-screen instructions to enter recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and laters, press the volume up and then volume down keys. Keep holding the power button, wait until the recovery mode appears. Step 3. Download the firmware for your iPhone and start the repair process. Step 4. Wait for the repair to complete and your iPhone should be fixed. Now let's check out the phone. Look, it's fixed magically. It is worth mentioning that using Fixppo standard mode to repair the phone will not cause any data loss. The third method. Force restart to fix iPhone. For iPhone 8 and later versions, press then release the volume up button quickly. Then press and release the volume down button. Keep pressing the side button only until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Now boot successfully. Alright, that's it for today. If this video helps, please hit it with a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Any questions, please leave a comment below. See you guys in the next video.